Welcome inside the 13ABC Marketplace. My name is Eric Hauber. If you are an allergy sufferer, I sympathize. Whether it's trees, grass, weeds, dogs, cats, gerbils, whatever it is, it's miserable. You get all up in here, it's horrible. But the good news, as you know, there's treatment. And for those who treat it, there's modern technology. We learn more inside today's 13ABC Marketplace.
Hi, I'm Afser Shariff. I'm an otolaryngologist, or otherwise known as an ENT, here at Wood County Hospital. If we were to use the full terminology, it would be otorhinolaryngology. It would be oto means ears, rhino means nose, laryngology would be voice box. So it covers pretty much everything from here down, not including the eyes, no brain. I actually moved to Toledo in 2003. I trained at Henry Ford Hospital in Detroit, Michigan. I started off in neurosurgery doing that and switched over to ENT midway through my training. And that gave me a great exposure to both sides of the anatomy, meaning that we're coming from the brain outward as well as from the outside inward. I came to Wood County because this is a great community. It's a wonderful place to be, and there's a tremendous amount of goodwill here, a lot of wonderful people. Hello, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
So people are coming in with all the sniffles, and thankfully it's not COVID sniffles. Their stuffy noses are no longer COVID stuffy noses. We're now getting into regular normal stuff, which is reassuring for everybody here. So as far as treatments, we're finding that people are having to restart their treatments because a lot of people who were under treatment for allergies last year postponed them or didn't take their medications because wearing a mask and being indoors, they weren't really exposed to as much stuff. There's a whole new set of treatments that have come out in the last 2 years that people aren't even aware of because everything was COVID. And so in this post-COVID world, we have all these wonderful treatments that are waiting for their patients to come and take them. Telling the difference between COVID and allergies, COVID usually will have fevers associated with it. The congestion is quite severe and intense compared to regular allergies. The loss of smell is more common with COVID. Allergies can cause a decrease in smell, but not necessarily a loss in smell. And of course, COVID has many other systemic effects that allergies may not have. So one of the newest treatments that just got approved this year by many of the insurance plans is a treatment called Latera. Latera is a breathe right strip, essentially, that's implanted underneath the skin inside the nose. And we've done lots of these, and it's amazing the results. The patients are generally very happy. It's an implant that just takes a few minutes to do. It's not that painful. We can do it while they're awake. No anesthesia is really needed. And the implant lasts for many years, allows them, it doesn't change the shape of their nose, it allows them to breathe comfortably without having any sticker on the top of their nose. So overall, it's been a game changer for people who've had chronically obstructed noses. Many of the patients that we're seeing are post-COVID patients, people who've recovered, but their sense of smell hasn't come back. And there's a whole new line of treatments for that that's been discovered in the last 6 months. We need to train that nerve how to distinguish between scents. And so there's a whole area of smell therapy that's been developed in the last few months.
Smell therapy?
Yeah.
What is it like, doing a lot of scratch and sniff stickers? Or?
So smell therapy is basically scratch and sniff stickers. You know, it's coming up with a variety of scents as close to normal. Like you can smell vanilla, you can smell chocolates, there's different food items. But obviously, if you had to eat all that all day long, you'd have a lot of weight issues. So you look for little vials with different scents that are distinguishable. You don't really want a mix of smells. You want to have as many pure smells as possible. So the 80s scratch and sniff stickers may be coming back.
Inside the 13ABC Marketplace.